Today we're going to begin a project working on learning about a U.S. state and taking the information that we learn and making it into a Google Slides presentation. In the past, we have done PowerPoint, which is pretty much the same thing, but this is through our Google account. So everybody is going to be given a worksheet that looks like this. So you're going to pick a state and then you're going to find out each piece of information about it that is on this paper. The site that we're going to, which is linked beside this video, is National Geographic Kids. So this is what the site looks like. And you see all of the states listed. I am going to go to Montana. So when I click on the state that I want, I'm going to scroll down and I see some pictures. And then I have some fast facts. I have some history. I have the picture of the flag, why it's called that, geography and landforms, wildlife, natural resources, fun stuff. And I have a map showing where the state is. So on my worksheet, name of state would be the state that I picked. And then here's the nickname right here, the treasure state. So I would write that down. The state bird, the western meadowlark, the state flower. Some of it is listed there. Some of it I have to come on down. Here again, the state bird, western meadowlark. So that says it in more than one spot. But I am going to fill in all of my research. And where it says fun fact number 1 and 2, that would be from down here. Where it says fun stuff, there's more than 2, but I am going to pick 2 facts that I want to share and write them in the box. On the back of your worksheet, there is what you're being graded on. You are not going to write on this page. This is for me to show you what your grade is. So you're going to be graded that you completed your worksheet. And then in our next video, I'm going to teach us how to create our slides. So we'll have a title slide, a state map slide, a state shape slide, a state flag, fast facts, flower, bird, animal, resources, fun facts, resources. The presentation has a theme. Spelling and grammar is correct. I will be grading you. If those are each complete, you'll get a 3. Mostly complete, 2. Little complete, 1. If you did nothing at all, you will get a 0. And then I'll add it all up to get a total of 42 points for your grade overall on this assignment. We will also be adding some images, which the third video in this week's series of lessons will teach us how to add the images to the slides that we're going to create tomorrow. When you have your entire state researched and all of your worksheet filled out, you're going to put this on the middle table.